All right, there's two ways to do number one. So the first way to do it is to put it in descending order and then to take out a negative. Negative times negative would give you positive. Negative times negative would give you positive 16. So now we need to find two numbers that add and give you negative 6 and multiply and give you negative 16. So 8 and 2, it's going to be negative 8. Negative 8 times 2 is negative 16. Negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6. So then this breaks down into x minus 8, x plus 2 with the negative on the outside. The second way to do this problem is to leave it exactly as you see it and put an x here. X times x is x squared, but we need it to be negative. So let's put a negative here and a positive here. It actually didn't matter which one. Negative x times x is negative x squared. Now we still need to add to get 6 and multiply to get 16. So let's try 8 and 2. And now let's check our work. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times x is 8x. Negative x times 2 is negative 2x. Negative x times x is negative x squared. When you combine like terms, you get 16 plus 6x minus x squared. If this did not work out, we would have had to switch the signs. So this is our final answers. Now this is actually the same as this one, because if you distribute this negative in, you'd have negative times x, which is negative x, negative times negative 8, which is positive 8, and you could rearrange it. So this is the same thing as this one. Okay, now let's factor 5 plus 4x minus x squared. One way to do it is to write it in descending order, and then to take out the negative, which would switch all the signs on the inside. So needs to add and give us negative 4 and multiply and give us negative 5. So negative 5 and 1. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. Negative 5 plus 1 is negative 4. So this factors into x minus 5, x plus 1 with the negative on the outside. Second way to do this problem is to not put it in descending order. So we'd have, negative x and positive x. Negative x times positive x is negative x squared. And we need a 5, so let's try putting 5 and 1 here and see if this works. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times x is 5x. Negative x times 1 is negative 1x. Negative x times x is negative x squared. 5x and negative 1x combine and give you 4x, so this works. So this is our answer. Now this is the same thing as this one, because negative x minus 5 times x plus 1, well, negative times x is negative x, negative times negative 5 is positive 5. You could rearrange it, and so it's the same. This is the same thing as this one, it's the same thing as this one.